We humbly beseech you that we may always prove ourselves a people mindful of your favor and glad to do your will. Endow with your spirit of wisdom those whom in your name we entrust the authority of government.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light, bombs bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there.
And this weekend is when we show all of our love for our military personnel right here at the air show. We are known as America's finest city. I can say without reservation, we rightly claim that title because we are a proud military town, because we are home to 250,000 folks who serve actively in the military.
Proud to represent the 3rd Marine Aircraft Wing, which is our nation's most powerful air wing. What you will see is the beauty and the power of our most advanced technology. Indeed, we are lucky to live in America's finest city, and we are grateful for the support of the San Diego community over the 70 years that we have been performing this show.
And I think everyone understands about the safety aspects of it, but we just don't quite have what we need.